Using your BrightMLS Client Portal. To assist you in your home search, I've set you up with a client portal. The listings and information in this portal are directly from the MLS, which means you have access to the most accurate information available, with one obvious caveat, and that is the garbage in, garbage out phenomenon of MLS listings. If the listing agent the seller hired did not input the correct information, the homes you're searching for will not come up in your search, or homes that you're not interested in will come up when they shouldn't. Now let's get started. First, you're going to go to click the Access Your Portal Now button that you received in the first email, and that opts you into all future emails from me via BrightMLS. Think of your portal as our shared online collaboration space where you can communicate directly with me and keep your home search organized. From the portal, you can view listings I shared with you via a saved search with the criteria you've already shared with me. The most recent listings will display first, and you can change the order by sorting or choosing a different display type. Use the Save as Favorite and Save as Possibility options to tell me what you like, and use the Discard Listing option if you're not interested. If you choose any of these options, I'll be able to see your choices on my end as well, and that's great feedback for me. By the way, if you choose Save as Favorite, I'm going to assume that that's the one that you truly like to see as soon as possible, whereas Save as Possibility, you may have some interest in if the price is reduced or nothing else meets your needs and it's still on the market when we get around to going out to see homes. The listings you like are available under the Favorites menu. Here's the Favorites menu right here at the top. You can change your feedback on any listing at any time. You just click that same button, remove from favorites, change it to a possibility, or discard the listing. Send me messages right from your portal by writing notes on particular listings, and you can also review any of the emails I've sent you. So as you can see here, on this particular property, if you want to write me a note, let's go see it immediately. Note, I'll be able to see that. And under the Messages tab at the top, you'll be able to see any messages and emails that I've sent you. Also under the Messages menu, Property Notes tab. This is where any notes that we've been trading back and forth on particular properties will appear. The portal also allows you to search for homes on your own. You can use the Jump to Location button under Find a Home menu, and you can just type in the city where you want to go. Hit enter and it will zoom in. But let's say you want to run a more detailed search on your own without the criteria I have already put in for you, then you would click Start a New Search. And then you can put in your own criteria. So if you want to search Montgomery County, Maryland, and you want to search for active, coming soon, and you only want residential, and you want a price between 700 and 900,000. This means 900,000. And then you want at least 4 bedrooms, so you would put 4+. I would leave out square footage because that is one of the most common misused fields. Detached only, and that should be broad enough to search on our own. You would hit Apply. And as you hover over on the right, you see the homes become more bold on the map. Then we want to possibly zoom in or zoom out and then click the draw button. And we're going to draw around the areas that we would consider. And that will narrow our search on the right. And you can see just the homes that you have searched for. And then if you like this search, you can click Save this search once you've made any adjustments that you like to the search area. As you can see, I can expand my search area if it's not exactly what I wanted it to be. And then once it's done, save this search. And then you can call it whatever you want, my search, Moco, something like that. Or if you're searching by schools, save that search. Once you have found a home you like, you can click on it, get additional information. You can click on the map, see where it is exactly. This map will also provide layers so you can see the different flood zones, whether or not the home is in a flood zone. You can see which high school it's generally in. You can always come back to the main menu and start a new search if you want to create a new search with different criteria. And you will always be able to see the searches I've set up for you under my searches, as well as your custom searches that are not filtered by my criteria. If you need to get in touch with me, my information is here, of course, and any messages that we trade back and forth on properties under property notes, messages coming from me as I adjust your criteria. If you want me to make changes, I absolutely can make changes to your existing auto email criteria that you receive every day. I'm looking forward to helping you find your dream home.